Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is featuring Scrap Diva Design's die. This is a bell die. It is currently in her shop. I will have her linked below. Okay, so I am a guest designer for her Valentine's line, and I was sent some Christmas, so I wanted to share that with you as well. This is my last Christmas video, so hopefully you enjoy this, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I decided to go with a library card. For the larger bell, as far as the smaller bell, I went with an embellishment and inserted it in one of those little candy pouches that Bona created. She is Live Love Scrap here on YouTube. I will have her linked below, but I thought the little embellishment would go so cute with one of those little candy bags that she created. So here we go. I did put the bell together off camera. It's fairly easy to do. I'm getting out all of my pieces for the library card. This is a Lori Whitlock file, and I absolutely love her library card. It has a little flaps on the bottom and on the top of the card, and I thought it was going to be a little cute accent piece for the bell. And so I did put a dangle on the large bell, as well as added one of Erica's bows on the bottom. So this is what the base of the envelope or the card looks like. And if you have double-sided cardstock, you can get this effect with two different patterns. And I also did some stitching with some seam binding. So I'm going to glue down this flap. And also gluing down, well, I did not glue down the flap for the card, so that one is open. I left it open so I can add a plastic bag and then add my embellishments, but I'm going to add the bell now. So I love this bell, you guys. I decided to use the Jingle Bells wording on the bottom over the acetate and the shaker part. I thought it would look so cute there, and also added the bow at a diagonal just to make it a little fun. And so yeah, I love how it came out. I'm going to add some ephemera pieces to the card as well, and so I did that and added it to the pocket. So here is the scrap lift that I lifted from Bona. She makes these cute little baggies, and they look like candy wrappers, and I just wanted to put the little bell in there. I thought the little bell would look so cute in there displayed. It's such a small little embellishment that you could use for anything. But I wanted to show you how you can gift it, and so I put it in one of these little pouches. So there it is. I did add a accent piece, little flat back on the top of the bell, added a little candy cane as well as a little holly berry leaf, and then I'm going to add my embellishments to the little pouch along with some crochet hearts. Adding the crochet hearts and inserting it into the eyelet, and all I'm doing is just creating a knot with that. Okay, this is the card. This concludes the video. It's a very short video, and hopefully you guys loved the Christmas creations that I made, and up come Valentine's, and I'm so excited to show you what Erica has in store for her shop, and a lot of Valentine's creations coming very soon. Hopefully you guys have a great new year, and if I don't see you guys before then, Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.